What's going on, everybody? This is Ricardo at Parts People. I got my pink shirt on. We're talking about Wi-Fi cards. We're all gonna learn a lot, so stay right there and we'll go through it.
Wi-Fi.
So wireless cards are not known for failing, but if you need to take yours out or swap it or reseat your antenna cables, I'm gonna show you how. Oh yeah, and please like and subscribe. It really helps us out and we really appreciate it. As always, thank you.
Parts People tutorials. Upgrade or repair your Dell. Need the part? Find it here.
Okay, tools. I used a Phillips number 1 for this repair. If you don't have one and you need one, I'll leave a link for that, as well as your Dell replacement parts down below. First, unscrew and gently pry apart the bottom base cover. Real quick, I just want to mention that I referenced the Dell owner's manual when I perform these repairs. You might have found a way that works better and faster for you. So if you did, tell us how you did it below. Then, to avoid electrical damage, disconnect your battery. Now, unscrew and remove the bracket and then disconnect the wireless antennas. Okay, you've gotten this far and you're still having issues. What do? You can always reach out to us for diagnostics, repairs, upgrades, or anything else Dell related. We've specialized in Dell laptops for over 20 years, so if you need anything at all, link is... The reinstallation is as simple as retracing your steps in reverse. If you still need to purchase your replacement part, click here to visit our site and find it. And while over there, you can view our printable instructions that include images to help you along the way. And also don't forget, we have more playlists here, so keep checking back. I do read your comments, so leave any questions you have for me down below. Thanks for watching.